Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalia and I'm back with another video teaching you more about marketing. As always, thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Today I'm going to talk about target audiences. Your target audience is the group of customers or potential customers you intend to reach with your campaign and corresponding assets. They are the specific group of people you will be delivering your message to. Within your target audience, you may have several segments. Based on the problem you're trying to solve, outline who your campaign is for and why your brand or product is the solution for them. For every product, concept, or idea, you will have a specific audience. Get detailed. The better you know your audience, the more successful your campaign will be because you'll know exactly what to say to them, what channels to reach them on, and how to convert them. The following questions will help you as you map out your target audience. Who are you trying to reach to achieve your campaign objective? Essentially, who are you problem solving for? What do you know about these customers or potential customers? Where in the buyer journey are they? How does that stage in their journey relate to this campaign? What are their demographics? What sets them apart from each other? Things like geographic location, language spoken if you're a global company, age, gender, income, personality views, or hobbies. What are their behaviors and mindsets? Good luck mapping out your target audience. Remember to comment with any questions that may come up, and make sure to subscribe to my channel to learn more about marketing strategy and campaign planning. Also, my Udemy course should launch any day now, so keep watching for a coupon that I'll be sharing with you and my channel subscribers. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. See you next time. Thanks for watching.